Welcome to the project demonstration of GSM based street light monitoring and controlling along with fault alerting system. Here the main application of this project is we can control this street light by sending SMS from a mobile phone to the system. So the system consists of the GSM module which we inserted the SIM card here, and once we send the message to on the light, then the system will on the light and we can off the light from the SMS only. It's on and off through SMS controlling. And the next feature is, if is there any fault occurred, means when you send a command to the system to on this street light, then the system will on the street light. But if there is no input from this LDR sensor, means this LDR sensor will check the status of LED, whether it is on state or off state. So our microcontroller will check that whether the street light should be on or not. Once we on the street light, then again in closed loop manner, again the system will check with the LDR input. If it is getting the input from the street light, then it is normal condition. If we on the light but the light was not on, as the LDR will inform to the microcontroller there is no input though we on the light, then the system will send a message alert to the same number, those who on the light, as a alert street light fault. So this is a message format we are going to receive if the street light not on when we on the command. And here we can on and off this to the GSM module. The main components are transformer, which is used to take the 230 volts AC inputs, and once we provide the 230 volts AC input, it will step down to 12 volts of AC, and that is input to this regulated power supply board. So it has a two stages, rectification and filtration. So rectifier will convert the AC to pulsating DC, filter will remove the pulses and provide as a pure DC of 12 volts, and that is input to our microcontroller. So this is the main motherboard which will take 12 volts DC input and provide as the 5 volts DC output after this regulation. And once we get the 5 volts DC output, then the system start reading input from the GSM module for the condition. So when the user want to control this LED, then send a command to on that, and the so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen. And to on and off this LED, we are making use of this MOSFET board, IRF-Z44 MOSFET we are using to control this. So this is a LDR board, rightly the LDR input to this board, and from there to the microcontroller. So interfacing connections: A0 for the LDR, C0 for the this MOSFET board, B2 to B7 for the LCD, B0, B1 for the GSM module. So let us see the demonstration. Before demonstration, first of all we need to insert a SIM card into the GSM module. Use Airtel or VI other than Jio. Okay, so the notch should be this side, and this push to lock and push to unlock. Just insert, right, the now system got locked. And now on the power supply, first step, insert the SIM card. It should have the message balance or main balance on the power supply, and hold the reset switch. So this is a reset switch. Hold this reset switch till GSM modem blinking rate slow down to 3 seconds. Now it's blinking at 1 second duration. So means it's trying to get the signal. Once the GSM modem got the signal, you can see that the blinking rate slow down. Now you can release the switch. So it's a reset switch. Okay, release the switch. A welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. And after the GSM modem connection established successfully, then monitoring message and light blinks continuously, means it's reading the message. Now I'm sending the message of to on the LED, LO on, all are small letters, LON on. Unsuccessfully message received on LCD, it will display that received message and it will decode that and it will execute that. Light on. Right, so there's a loose contact though. After receiving the command, so light got switched on, but previously the light was not on, that's why we received the message of fault LED, and LOFF to off the LED. Right, and again check with the condition again. So light on, as everything is normal condition. So the status is directly monitoring. Only we received that light got switched on. So if you make the fault, if you want to make the fault, just we can remove this 2 pin. By removing this, we'll get the fault alert. Right, now we switch off the LED, though the system is monitoring the LED input from the LDR. So we got the message of alert street light fault. Right. So in this manner we are going to get the street light fault alerting along with controlling through the SMS using GSM module and PIC microcontroller.